Kamela here with Creative Mom's Decant. So today I'm going to show you how to use a round board and adhesive vinyl with your Cricut cutting machine to make a fun summer sign. Let's go!
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
Alright, so the supplies you're going to need today are your Cricut cutting machine. I'm going to use my Cricut Maker. You could easily cut this on a Cricut Maker or a Cricut Explorer. I am using Cricut vinyl today. I needed black, orange, and pink. You need some paint and a paintbrush, green and white, and some painter's tape. And that's what we're going to use first here. Of course, I always have my favorite reading tool handy as well. So the first thing you want to do is line up your design for painting. And I like to do this by using my self-cutting mat here that has my guide. So I'm going to take my board and put it right down here on this line, and then it just even with one of these lines. And I want this line to be 8 1/4. So I'm actually going to use my smaller tape because that is an easier way for me to get an even line. So once this is checked and this is checked, I can use my board here and get my 8 1/4. I've used a remover and removed, of course, the spot I need right there. So I'm going to just slide over here. And I like to check it by doing a little bit of overlay on my tape. And we'll clean that up in a minute. And I can do the same thing on the other side so that also, you know, for that spot that's missing, I can easily then line up the spots that aren't. And it's just, for me, it's an easier way to help definitely ensure things are going to go straight for me. You could wing your sizing on this project, but I really wanted to have my leaves on my paint and over my paint, so I have to know exactly the sizing or I could mess that up. Alright, so once my straight line is down, you can actually remove this and you can just fold that tape under. It'll give you somewhere to grab a hold when we're all done. And if you need a thicker line, you could definitely come in here with a thicker line and go for it. I am going to use my favorite acrylic paint, and I'm using, it's Apple Barrel, and I am using the bright green. And you're just going to want to coat this entire bottom of the board with the green. And once it's dry, you're going to remove that tape and do the white on the top. And then I will show you how we will put this all together. So I've made this design in Design Space, and you could definitely make one yourself, or you can grab the link that I'll link below and have my project. So the Hello Summer is a butterfly font, and these are just Cricut Design Space images. The way I'm doing this with the paint, you will not need to cut the green or the white, but the rest of it we can send to matte. And I'm going to be using adhesive vinyl today. I prefer the outdoor premium vinyl when you're making a sign, but it also depends on where you'd like to put it. So I'm going to send all this through my Cricut Explorer, and then I'll show you how I put this outdoor summer sign together. So the paint is completely dry and it is time to finish putting this together. I'm super excited. I like to lay everything out and use Cricut Design Space to show me kind of where things are at. And then I am actually using my least favorite transfer tape for this just because I definitely don't want the paint to peel up. But I had no issues, and I think part of that is the satin finish acrylic paint does not peel with transfer tape. So that's super, super helpful. And I like that it leaves a nice shine. So let's get this finished up. I'm just using Design Space and placing it all. Thank you so much for watching. This was super fun. Have a joyful day, friends. If you'd give me a like and a subscribe or even a comment, they really make our day and help our channel. Bye!